You may be looking for a sports jersey and you don't want to spend a lot of money, so check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You know, we love sports. Sports are going on all the time. Maybe you have your favorite pro team, college team, high school team, pee-wee team, possibly. Maybe fantasy team, whatever. Now you can get a jersey without breaking the bank. And how do you do that? Well, you go on to Amazon, and I found these listings where you can pick basically the jersey you want, like this baseball jersey, and then the colors that you want, and then you can customize it. Now, you might be saying, well, Pete, that sure looks like, I don't know, Purdue or Mizzou. Well, it's actually in celebration of Northwestern. Northwestern's original colors were gold and black. I don't know if you knew that, but then they switched to purple later because so many schools had black and gold as their colors, including all the schools that I just mentioned. And so sometimes they wear these throwback uniforms, and I picked this up because I thought it would be fun to go to the all blackout game with a gold and black jersey. So what we have here is a baseball jersey. It's got that nice mesh material, feels pretty good here. And when you order this, even though it's like $8 for the jersey, it doesn't come with anything on it. And you can customize it with a name on the back, a name on the front, and then a number on the front or the back. And if you have a logo that you are licensed and approved to use, you can upload that as well, and they can put it on the chest or the sleeve, but I didn't want to do that. Now, because the word Northwestern isn't trademarked as far as I know. In fact, there's the University of Northwestern, and then there's also Northwestern University, which is where I went. So I can just have that put on the back there. I'm not infringing on anyone's rights or trademarks, and this is just kind of a collegiate block font. And then on the front here, they'll do it in this script, which is actually pretty similar to what the Wildcats word is. And then because I graduated in 99, I put 99 on there. So pretty nice. I mean, it's actually pretty nice material. And the thing about this is that they have sewn the letters on, and so you can see how each of them are fabric and then sewn on. And then on the front here, this Wildcats name is actually like nylon and then sewn on as well. So pretty impressive. Now, one of the things that I noticed here, and I will show it to you as soon as I put this on, is that you have buttons holding it together here. But where this word goes across the chest here, you don't have a button. So you got nothing holding it together, but they thought of that. And they put a little piece of Velcro right there. Ooh, naughty, naughty. So you don't have to worry about this part opening up because it's got that Velcro. So it's nicely thought out too. And as you can see, now I look like a Northwestern baseball player in the Gothic uniform. So if you are looking for a jersey and maybe you can find the colors that represent your favorite team, I'm just saying, your favorite NBA team, MLB team, NFL team, those jerseys are going to start at $100. But they have a lot of jerseys that look awfully similar to the professional teams without infringing on their rights, without putting the logo on there. But you could put your own name on there, the name of your favorite player, what have you, their number on there, and have a jersey that looks awfully similar without breaking the bank. And even with all of these customizations here, the embroidery front and back and the number, this jersey was something like $32 by the time I was totally done with it. So a pretty good value. So a little money hack, if you want to show spirit for your favorite team, I'll put a link to this jersey in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.